you guys. Okay, so how are you guys liking my new hair color? Because my hair is so dark naturally that it gets really hot in the sun over the summer, and to not ruin my hair, I use coconut oil and then I bleach my hair on my own. And I needed a new hair care this time, so I was really thinking, what should I do? So I did 7-day hair care with Innersense and with Sylvia, my bestie on Instagram, and see how my result was for past 7 days. Well, I've been sick for a few days and this got delayed, and yeah, so it's my update on Innersense. First day. Okay, thoughts. This hair bath, is this one, Innersense hair bath. This is amazing. This is not even fully dried, and you see how thick my hair is? Like really thick. And if you like, seriously, this is like a lot of hair. And I usually use about 2-3 pumps for this length of hair for washing my hair to get it foamed up and all worked up for cleaning my hair. But in our Innersense hair bath, I used literally a size of dime. Ingredient was like watery enough, and it went drip down my hair and cleansed. And after that, I used this cream conditioner, which conditioned my hair. So if you noticed, I dyed my hair. So you should have given me disgusting kinky hair, but look how healthy it is. Like, you won't even know that I dyed it at home nor bleached it. And I did like rigorous 3-4 process because I had some accidents. So look at that. Guys, it's day 2 with Innersense organic hair stuff. Okay, even after my hair dye, it's pretty nice, right? And on top of that, I use Hydrating hair mask today, and maybe that's what it is, but even after a bleach, it's really nice. My hair feels really nice. No kinks. Success. Okay, look at my hair. Okay, it's day 3 now. Look at how shiny my hair is. I just dried my hair. Gonna finish with the Innersense I Create Finish spray. And I'm just gonna go. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm just gonna go very light. Smells really good. It's very fresh scent, for sure. Okay, now that I'm done with that, since I bleached my hair, I want it. Also, if you have dry ends, you should do this. It's Innersense Harmonic Healing Oil. I am just gonna put a dab of this, or a couple of pumps, like maybe 2. And then gently just put it on the ends. This is usually good if you have damaged hair or dyed hair or all the above. I am so gross. I just worked out and showered, but I'm on a time crunch because I promised Megan, my bestie, aka Lee and Me NYC, check her out on Instagram. She's going to Italy, and I volunteered to help her pack, and I'm running late, and it's not a day where I need to look my best, so I'm just gonna throw on some waves. And I thought I should try the Innersense I Create Wave Spray and see if my waves take place while I do my makeup and skincare routine. Well, my skincare and makeup will probably take about 10 minutes max, so we'll see if it forms waves. I have pretty straight hair but very thick volumized hair, so this will be a cool experiment.
Hey! Been
Hi,
using
guys.
still stick with Innersense, and this is a dry shampoo. Just worked out and I have disgusting dirty hair, but we have a photo shoot today, so here's Sylvia.
So excited to try all the products.
We've been doing 7 days. Well, we've been committing to 7 days. This is what, 5th day?
Yes.
How you been liking it so far?
I love it.
Okay, so this is how I use it, as the salon stylist taught us. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then I just mush it and then put it on my hair. This just feels very velvety and not dried, and I have dark roots, you see that? But no colors. Those brunettes, you guys are safe. Oh my gosh. I'm a mess today because I just did a really rigorous workout. And this was my 4th day with unwashed hair, and I just washed my hair. And I used the Innersense hair mask again. And my hair is really thick, but it's so light. I love it. So, still going strong, almost a week with just Innersense hair care. I'll give you the final thoughts when I'm done with for 7 days. So, keep watching. Alright, guys. I am ready for church. I got my outfit. It's just a dress. And of course I worked out, and that means I use this Innersense dry shampoo. Okay, you guys, honestly there's nothing better than actually washing your hair because it's after sweaty. But let me tell you, at least this doesn't grease up your hair. No one knows you didn't wash your hair. Look. And look how shiny my hair is. I didn't add any extra oil. Due to my natural oil hair, other than my scalp, it stays put. And I'm really loving my new color right now. Ta-da! So, I am really loving this right now. And I'll probably use it for a month now, or however long it lasts. I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up if this helped you, and if you like this video. I hope you guys try this product, Innersense. I'll link all the stuff down below, and let me know what you guys think on my comments of this product. And subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye!